Hello, myself Mohammad Ois Khan of CSE ANML is here to give a presentation and my topic is compare LED and laser diodes. Introduction to LEDs. Introduction to LEDs. LED is an acronym for light emitting diode. A LED or light emitting diode has two LED semiconductors light sources. It is a PN junction diode which emits light when activated by a suitable voltage is applied to the LEDs. Construction of an LED. LED consists of a chip of semiconductor materials doped with the impurities to create a PN junction. The chips are mounted in the reflecting tray order to increase the light output. The contact are made on the cathode side by means of conductive and on the anode side via gold wire to lead frame. The plastic case encloses the chip of the lead frame. The side diagram is the shows the side diagrams is the construction of an LED. When the negative end of a circuit is hooked up to the n-type layer and the positive end is hooked up with the p-type layer, an electron and holes this working of an LED. When negative end of a circuit is hooked up with the n-type layer and the positive end is hooked up with the p-type layer, then electron and hole starts to move. If you are, if you try to If you try to run current in the other way with the p-type side connected to a negative end of the circuit and the n-type side connected to the positive end, current will not flow. No current flows across the junction because the holes and the electrons are are each moving in a wrong direction. Application of an LEDs. The three main categories are indicators and signals at the roads, lightning, and data communication and other signaling. Now let us see what is a laser diode. Laser diode is a semiconductor device similar to LED. It uses PN junction to emit coherent light in which all the waves are at the same frequency and phase. The coherent light is the process termed as the coherent light is the coherent light is produced by the laser diode using the process termed as light amplification by simulated emission of radiation, which is abbreviated to laser. Since Since a PN junction is used to produce laser light, this device is named as a laser diode. Before we learn about the working process of a laser diode, let us see how the laser light is different from other types of light and its advantages. The light from the sunlight or from the most of the other artificial light sources contains waves of multiple wavelengths and they are output of phase with each other. The light waves from the monochromatic light sources inten- like incandescent bulb also are not in phase with each other. In contrast to the previous light sources, laser diode produce a narrow beam of laser light which is which all the light waves have similar wavelengths and they travel together with their peaks lined up. This is why laser beams are very bright and can be focused over a very tiny spot. Of all these devices that produce laser light, laser diodes or semiconductor lasers are the most sufficient and they can come in smaller packages. So they are widely used in various devices like laser printers, barcode readers, security system, autonomous vehicles, fabric output communication, etc. Construction of a laser diode. The simple semiconductor construction of a laser diode. A simple semiconductor laser diode is made up of the following in order: metal contact, p-type material, intrinsic metal contact, p-type material, active or intrinsic region, n-type material, and metal contact. Procedure for construction of an laser diode. The input terminals are connected to a metal plates which are sandwiched between the n-type and the p-type layers. This type of laser diode is also called as a homojunction laser diode. The instance The intrinsic region between the p-type and the n-type metal is used to increase the volume of active region, so more number of holes and electrons can accumulate. The intrinsic region between the p-type and the n-type material is used to increase the volume of the active region so that more number of holes electrons can accumulate at that region. This allows more number of electrons to recombine with the holes and at any instant of time, resulting in a better power output. The laser light is emitted from the elliptical region. This beam of laser, this beam, this beam from the laser diode can be further focused into a optical lens. The entire pin diode, p-type, intrinsic, n-type arrangement in enclosed normally in a metallic casing. The laser diode PI characteristics. The below diagram is the graphical plot between the output optical power on y-axis and the current input to the laser diode on x-axis. As we increase the current, as we increase the current flow to the laser diode, the optical power of the output light gradually increases up to a certain threshold. Until this point, most of the light emitted is due to this spontaneous emission. As we increase the current flow to the laser diode, the optical power of output light gradually increases up to a certain threshold. Until this point, most of the light emitted is due to spontaneous emission. The above is the threshold current. The process of simulated emission above this threshold current, the process of simulated emission increases. This causes the power of output light to increase a lot even for a smaller increase in the output current. The output optical power also depends on the temperature and it reduces when decrease in the temperature. Application of laser diode. The laser the laser diode models are used in all major areas of electronics from consumer electronics like CDs, DVD players, laser printers, fiber optic communication, barcode readers, etc. Medical machines. The laser diode are used in machines used to remove the unwanted tissue, eliminating the cancer cells or cataract surgeries, etc. The autonomous vehicle. Laser diode technology is used in making LiDAR systems implemented for autonomous vehicles driving. Scientific instrumentation. Lasers are used in devices for the remote contact measurement and rangefinders, etc. Industrial application. Laser diodes are used as a source of high intensity laser beam for a precise cutting of material, and they are also used in 3D printers to soften these substances. Thank you.